Hi, this is Becky Gromlich with the Watercolor Classroom and Tuesday's Tips. Today we're going to learn about making smooth washes in our watercolor tutorial. I'm going to show you how to do a sky, and one of the tricks to having very smooth washes is using a round brush that's really soft. Like this is synthetic squirrel. I always buy synthetic brushes. But first you get your paper wet. And that's a key ingredient to spreading the paint. And these brushes hold a ton of water. So my paper is drenched, and I'm actually going to dry it just a little bit by putting it on my sponge and going back over it so that it just doesn't wash right off of the paper. Now, blue skies are always darker at the top. And it just goes softer as you go. And then I'm gonna dry a little bit off on my sponge and go down, rinse my brush a little bit, keep going down, and you go right past the tape or the edge of your paper. And I'm gonna work my way back up, get out any other kinks or uneven spots. And I want to put some pink into this. And so I'm going to do that at this point, and even a little bit of yellow. And my skyline is going to go right into my painting. Now that has some good lines there that I don't really want, and so I'm going to go back over and smooth things out. And I also don't want a pink line across there. I want it to blend more. So now I'm drying my brush out a little bit, going over the whole thing again. That blue has blended really well, and it just starts to float out into the paper and even itself out until you end up with a really smooth, soft looking graduation of color. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and hit the bell if you want to be notified. Thank you so much for watching.